Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 655 minus 1550 times d equals 0. Solving means leaving the variable alone on one side, with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. Use the same operation on both sides to keep the equation equal. Subtract 655 from both sides so the variable term stands alone. That gives negative 1550 times d equals negative 655. The variable coefficient is negative 1550. Divide both sides by negative 1550 to leave the variable alone. Quick check. Substitute 131 over 310 for d. Both sides equal 0, so the equation balances. So, d equals 131 over 310.